Oh my god. It's trash pickup day today. Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have a special edition unboxing for you guys, and it is by Lookfantastic, and they collaborated with this brand that I haven't heard of before. And the brand is called NEOM Organics. So I was kind of intrigued by it. This is a limited edition box, so once it's gone, and here's the box right here. It's pretty thick. Now, one thing I did notice about when I opened the box that it was shipped in was the scent. It had a really nice, relaxing scent. So again, I was really intrigued by it. Now, Lookfantastic does a special edition box probably every month or so. Some of them I did get, and some, I kind of passed on it. But this one, with this brand and what it does, I thought, let me try it. Okay, the description about this box is nothing affects how you feel more than a perfect night's sleep. Rejuvenate and awaken the senses with our exclusive Lookfantastic limited edition box, worth over $138. Containing only 100% natural fragrances, these 6 wellness-inspired products will help to encourage a tranquil night's sleep. Alright, so you get 6 products in here that will help you sleep better, and it's worth over $138, and this box costs $59. So it's not a bad deal if you wanted to try this brand or if you want a good night's sleep. But let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Alright, got it open here. Oh, and there is something written inside, just like the Lookfantastic subscription box. There's a little saying inside. It says, nothing affects how you feel as much as sleep or lack of it. That is so true. I mean, a good night's sleep could make or break the day. Alright, comes with a booklet to let you know about this box. Now, there's a little description here about NEOM Organics. It focuses on well-being with small steps that make a big difference. From shower wash that helps you have more energy to the candle that creates a calm zone and less stress in your busy family life. They're all made with the 100% natural Tranquility fragrance, a blend of 19 of the purest possible essential oils, including English lavender, sweet basil, and jasmine, all expertly blended to help you relax and prepare for sleep. All right. There it is, unopened. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, and the smell right when I opened up the tissue, it smells so good. Let me show you what it looks like. There you go, with the boxes inside. Let's go ahead and pull out this big one right here. This is the Perfect Night Sleep Cleansing Balm and Cloth. Let's see what that looks like. It does smell good. Oh, I can smell that lavender. All right, you do have a nice cleansing cloth right here. And it comes in a tube. And I do love a cleansing balm, especially when it comes with a cloth. Very important for me. This is a deep cleansing balm that removes makeup and daily grime. The ultimate nighttime cleanser, which is an expert blend of vitamin-rich, skin-loving oils, including rose oil, cherry blossom, peony, and elderflower extract, plus 13 of the purest possible relaxing essential oils. Leave skin cleanse, deeply nourish, and prepare for sleep. You have 100 ml of product in here, which is 3.38 fluid ounce, and this one does cost $42 with the cleansing cloth. So this is $42. Oh my god, that's really nice. It does smell good. Oh, I hope this could take off my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna try this. All right, next, this is Nourish, Breathe, and Sleep Hand Balm. All right, this is a small deluxe sample size of it. A deeply restful bedtime treatment in the palm of your hand with rich cocoa butter to nourish, skin-loving shea butter to soften, and pure essential oils to help calm the mind for sleep. You get 10 mils of product in here, and it says it's worth $10. And I do like putting hand lotions when I'm getting ready for bed, so this is really nice. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, that smells really good too. Okay, let's see if I sleep well tonight. All right, another little box here. It's the Perfect Night Sleep Face Oil. Another deluxe sample size of this. Your skin always looks its best after a great night's sleep. Fresh, glowing, and rested, this 100% natural face oil is full of vitamins and antioxidants, plus the 13 essential oils, including sweet almond, peach kernel, and skin-loving rosehip oil to help nourish and restore the skin during sleep. Okay, that has some really nice ingredients in this one. Just a touch of smell. I wonder if I can smell it a little bit better when I put it on my face. You get 5 mils of product in here, and this one is worth $13. All right, we have another deluxe sample size here, and it's the body oil. Soothe and deeply nourish the skin with seriously good natural ingredients in oils of sapphire, jojoba, a blend of natural extracts like rose, elderberry, plus added vitamin A and rosehip oil. This body oil is ultra nourishing and works throughout the night to improve skin health. All right, you have 25 mils of product in here, and it's worth $10. All right, let's see this big box right here. I can tell it's a candle. And yes, it says scented candle. Oh, you do get a big candle here in a glass jar. Oh, that smells good. Okay, this fragrance of lavender, sweet basil, and jasmine, plus the 16 other essential oils, is expertly blended to help you relax and prepare for sleep. It's made of 100% natural wax, and it has up to 16 mils of essential oils, offering therapeutic treatment as they burn. This candle has 1 wick, and it costs $42. Wow, candles are expensive, aren't they? But it does smell so good. Oh my gosh. All right, and the last product here, it is the pillow mist. We do like the one from This Works, the lavender pillow spray. So let's see how this one smells. Oh, that does smell good. Oh, that does smell good. Okay. You get 30 mils of product, and this one costs $26. Wow. 1 spritz of this best-selling bottle of natural goodness on your pillow, and the dreamy, potent oils of lavender, patchouli, and chamomile, plus 11 other essential oils get to work. That will help you feel relaxed and prepared for the night's rest. Okay. I'm going to spritz this on our pillow and not tell my husband about it and see if there's a difference, but this does smell really good. Really good. Well, all right. These are the 6 products here that will help us sleep better tonight, and I hope it does. But I can tell you that the scent of it does smell very relaxing, really relaxing. And let me let you know that this brand, NEOM, they are based out of England. And in this booklet, it tells you a little information about the founder, too. Her name is Nicola Elliott. There she is right there. So yeah, these 6 products here are worth $138, and you can get it at Lookfantastic for $59. It does take a couple of weeks for it to be shipped here to the States because it is based out of England. I was not charged for shipping, and also I was not charged for tax. So I don't know if that depends on where you live. But yeah, this box costs $59, free shipping and no tax. But then again, you need to look and see if wherever you live, if they charge tax and duties and whatnot. But I think this is a nice box for $59. I'm pleased that I got this limited edition one by Lookfantastic and NEOM Organics. You know, because I can't wait to try the cleansing balm. I'm going to be using that one tonight. And the pillow spray and the face oil, and light the candle here. But anywho, guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day and a restful night's sleep. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.